Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. Let's see what we can find today. Let's see what the markets are doing. Can you guys give me a shout how my sound is, if you guys can hear me clearly? And let's begin. Let's begin. Can you also drop some of your pairs on the side there? And then let's see if we can get to them. And yeah, get the work done. How's my sound going, guys? If you guys can confirm that, then that'll be perfect. Awesome, guys. Jaco just said the sound is perfect. So I think we can get on with it. Drop some pairs, guys, that you guys would want me to look at. And then let us begin. Hoping that today we'll get some good opportunities, some nice trades. And if it does work out, then yeah. Okay. So just scanning through the markets, trying to find some good entries, trying to see if I can't get a nice buy or sell. And these are the pairs that actually popped up to me, which is only 5. Pretty unfortunate, but it is what it is. Okay, so this one, let's start with this one. Actually, no, this was not supposed to be here. There you go. So this is USD Swiss franc. We've got some nice a nice zone here that we'll be working from. We've got these beautiful imbalances here at the bottom, which could potentially get filled. So we are looking at those. And then we've got, just hold on a second. There we go. We are looking at trading this one here, moving from this angle at the bottom here. And sorry about that. And using this bit of range here. We like those tight stops, of course. And hopefully using the 5-minute candles would get a better entry. But yeah. Let's see what we've got here. It looks a little something like this. Hopefully we didn't miss it, but let's see how that goes. Let's see how that works out today. Hopefully we'll get a pretty neat trade from this, and have a good start for the week. We didn't update our stats last week, but we will get to it, and potentially have a nice couple of levels. And as you guys may know, we're targeting 3, 8, and then 10 and above. So it's potential 1 to 30 if it does max out. And remember to keep taking your partials. That's something we don't take for granted. Your partials are very, very important. If your risk management is on point, you will definitely have a good trading career. But if it's not on point, yeah, that's going to be a bit of a challenge. So just be wary of that. Let me drop this in the free channel, and then we can continue. 91364, and drop it in the VIP channel as well. 91315, and that take profit is going to be at the 0.92682. And then we'll take it. I think this is actually the only one that'll be going in the free channel, and then the rest will be in the premium. That's how we'll be operating. Do you guys have any pairs that you'd want me to look at? Just drop them on the side there, and then let's move from there. US oil, it eventually started dropping, but I actually don't have an analysis on it. But it started pushing down. Let's see how the US 100 analysis went. Because I was extremely sell biased. Yep, I did say that whoever's gonna get that fall, they're gonna get so nice. And I think it happened right here. Yep, from these levels here. Okay, so Justin wants us to look at gold. I was going to show gold today, but let's take a look and see what we can find from it. So with gold, we've got a nice level here that we can work with. Let's see. We've got a nice level that we can work with here. Looking at this beautiful level as well. Short term, we are looking at somewhere on these levels. It's a bit tricky for this one, especially short term, because the entry is a bit, it's a bit hard to find. But we could potentially look at a buy as well from these levels. And let's see how it looks in the smaller time frame. Because there's too many wicks there, but you potentially look at something along these lines. Looking at this entry here. Looking at this entry here. Why is it giving me this short though? I want the long. Okay. Clearly something changed. Anyway. Looking at something along these levels. Using your buy stops, not sell stops. But I'm more for the selling side. Looking at that level at the top and dropping down with it. So that's more of a position I'd be interested in, and potentially going even lower than that. Okay, that's how you do want it to be, targeting these levels. And here, of course, So this is how gold would be traded. Place your alerts. As soon as price gets into that area, you take that trade, and then you'll be fine. That's how you want to trade gold today, and see how that's gonna work out. Okay. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna post it in the group as well. I'm not posting it in the free group though, so you guys are the only guys getting it on the live. Entry, we've got 1795, 667, and then stop loss is at 1793.878, and then we are targeting the 1812 actually, 1812.288, and then trade 2, we are looking at the 1818.719 level, with the stop loss at the 1816.467. Sorry about that. Let me 1816. Sorry, stop loss at 1818.719. Into that 1816.467, and we're targeting the trade one's entry, which is around the 1795.362. So this is a potential trade that we'll be looking at taking. And then somebody wants us to look at, well, it's Justin again, UJ. I don't think I saw anything with the UJ, which is why I didn't even mark it. On the lower time frames, there could be something interesting, but on the higher time frames, there's not really a good TFA we can look at. And then if you want to look at a very tight trade, we'll probably look at taking a sell, looking at these levels, and then looking at these ones here as well, which are a bit too high, but you could get a nice area to tee off from here, and then potentially looking at the 1 minute charts and the 5 minute charts. So look at something along this range, and then targeting this entry point here. Let's drop back to the 1 hour. That's a good place to start. And then a trade 2, it'll probably be, well, the second option would be to take it from these levels, and because price is already there, you're looking at selling now actually. So it'll be a trade along these ranges, and then shorting it from either this level or shorting it from where it currently is, which is at the 50% mark, and then targeting these levels here. So this would be a good trade from the lower time frame, somewhere along these ranges. I hope that makes sense. If you got in, there you go, there's your tank. Let's see, 2R hit, now it's tracing back up. I hope you guys are in the trade already. If you're in the comment section, just drop a yes, I'm in the trade, and then if not, you'll have to wait. But looking at something along these ranges. So it looks like that. And then you'd get another trade from these levels. Also a sell from around that level there. Targeting these bottoms here. There we go. If you got that sell, the UJ sell, then that is pretty good. But there we go. So that is a potential trade as well on the UJ. So there's two trades. So there's the one in the shortest time frame. Yeah, something like that. There we go. Targeting these levels as well. Just put this mark here. So that's how your trade would look. This one is already gone. 4R hit. Yeah. There we go. So there's your UJ trade. And it's gone, Justin. Hope you were listening and taking that one. Yeah, so there we go. And then Dojo VIP. There we go. Just want to drop that there. Hopefully some of the guys from the VIP are watching. And then trade through entries at 110.246, and then SL is at 110.261, and then TP we're looking at the 110.125 levels, and that's about it actually. So we actually caught 6R live. We caught it live. There we go. Just leave it there. Okay. I think that's about it, guys. That's about it for this session. I will be getting into the markets now, getting prepped and ready for the London Open. More pairs will be dropped, of course, in the VIP channel. And that's about it. We just covered a few pairs. We've got a nice live trade, 7R trade from Justin again. Yeah. Nice one, Justin. GJ, AJ, Euro GBP. Yeah, we'll catch those at another time, guys. Now it's time for us to prep and get into the markets. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share, of course. Have an awesome day, traders.